At Novelis here, we are very proud to be at the forefront of sustainable aluminum solutions. With partnership of ABB, we are turning our 3x30 visions by investing on new technology to lower the energy consumptions for our critical assets. With advanced technology and with our deeper expertise, we are able to increase our energy efficiency, to reduce our maintenance costs, and to increase our reliability. And this will accelerate our decarbonization roadmap of the plant in Sierre, and this will boost our circular economy, which is the main strategy of Novelis.
At Thommen Group, sustainability drives us. Together with ABB, we dismantled end-of-life transformers and motors from Novelis, giving them a second life at our B facility. Valuable raw materials are recovered and returned to the circular economy, protecting resources, fueling innovation, and shaping a future worth living for generations to come.
Circularity is no longer a side initiative. It's about competitiveness. At ABB, we help businesses unlock their circular edge by turning sustainable practices into a strategic advantage. Our circular approach keeps value in motion. Products that last longer, systems built to outperform, and as this case shows, materials reborn through retrofitting and recycling. It's extremely rewarding to see that by improving performance and profitability today, Novelis is investing in a future that's leaner and cleaner.